This workshop was just incredible, honestly. Like, there were so many takeaways. There were so many aha moments.
I came to this workshop because I'm just at a really pivotal moment in my life. All of the plates are spinning and I know that there are things that are holding me back.
I'm a big believer in always working on yourself, and I feel like that's a constant progress. You can't connect with anybody else unless you connect with yourself first, so there's always something to learn.
We're normally so programmed to feel like we have to be perfect and we have to know all the things. So it was beautiful to be able to come here and to be vulnerable and know that it was an absolute safe space.
So amazing. Lisa knows her shit so much. I had these little light bulb moments of why I've been doing things the way I've been doing. Some of it's from childhood and some of it's from experiences.
So my favorite part of today was an activity that Lisa took us through. It was called the bullshit breakthrough. It's a massive tool to help you shift your mindset and to look at things from a different perspective.
I just thought it was incredible and I want it to be a full day thing, or there be a part 2 because I want to come back.